everyone, welcome back to your own favorite channel Shubham's World. Today I am going to show you a project that is hand steadiness tester. For this project we need so many things. First step is that we need to take the stand pillars and put in the plastic base. Screw and bolt, let's fix it. In step 2, we need to fix the buzzer. Step 3, we need to fix the metal hook to the plastic pipe with the wire. We need to fix like this. Let's fix this wire in the both of the sides. We should connect like this. Let's fold the wire. It should be like this. Now the step 5 is connection time. The red wire will connect the another red wire in the vessel. Now the black wire will be connected with this wire. Now finally the black wire will connect it with this. Our connection is ready. Have a look. Let's push inside and play the game. Out. I made it very easy. Let's start the game. Who can do it? The project is very successful. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to put bell button. Thanks for watching my video.